In a world that's yelling one thing so loud, why do you think you're screaming from the opposite side of the room something totally different? What do you think it is about your approach that's proven to be successful?
I'm saying the contrarian view in many cases. And I'm not a default contrarian, right? If you're a default contrarian, you're just as easy to manipulate as anyone else. If you're a default, I just say, hey, it's sunny outside, and you're going to grab your umbrella if you're an
Yeah.
automatic contrarian, right? So you're very easy to
They
manipulate,
are fun
just
people
like,
to mess with, but yes, I agree.
yeah. Yeah. So you don't want to be that. You want to be a critical thinker. And I'm a critical thinker. And why I'm a critical thinker is because I did drugs, I did alcohol, I did addiction. I know, you know what? That shit doesn't work. You will chase that next high forever, and you're never going to get that original high. So I watch an ad on TV for booze or beer or whatever, and I'm like, sorry, that dog don't hunt. I already tested that case, right? And I look
Fair.
at how people's relationships are and say, I don't want to have a relationship like that. I look at the health of people and I say, I don't want to have that kind of health like that. I look at how many people are broke, and I was broke for the first 30 years of my life, almost 35. And I just said, I don't want to live that way. And so I'm out there preaching the principles of holistic prosperity, entrepreneurial success, free enterprise, because they've worked for me. And I'm trying to share the things that worked with me with the people who want to have a, do want to do, have, and become more.